I think Relive is a super fun app to play around with, specifically for visualizing rides with lots of evaluation, changes, and scenery. It's also a great way to help friends and family understand where you ride and much of the hard work it takes. With this said, it's not necessarily something that's boost your performance, and outside of supporting the company's hard work, I remain on the fence regarding the level of value provided by a club membership, especially now that Strava is no longer supported. Sure, I can record directly in the app, but between it, Strava, and other apps, I typically have open rides. It's just one more thing I have running and draining my phone's battery. The only other equally inconvenient option is to export the bulk data to my computer and then export the GPX file via Relive website. For now, I will write it out and see how things go over the next couple of months, and then decide if I should continue paying. But what about you? Based on my experience and the overwhelming positive online feedback at the very least, I think the Relive app is fun enough that it's worth downloading from iTunes or Google Play, and it won't cost you a penny. Then you can test it out for as long as you like before upgrading to a club membership. What do you think about Relive or about Strava decision to pull their support for the app? Before heading out, be sure to leave a comment below and rate your experience with the app up top. Thank you.